Before we begin, find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. Put yourself in a relaxed state. Gently close your eyes and start focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply and slowly, feeling the cool air fill every cell of your body, and then exhale, letting all worries and tensions drift away with each breath. Imagine a warm golden light descending from the universe, gently surrounding you. This light is like a wave of calm energy, illuminating your body and mind, bringing peace and purity. Feel the tranquility as the light permeates your skin, reaching deep into your heart. Each inhale brings you this powerful, peaceful energy, and each exhale releases any stress and worries. Continue to receive this light, letting it nourish your soul and prepare you for a deep, fulfilling meditation experience. Now, envision the golden light from the universe surrounding you, creating a serene space that shields you from any unease outside. This light isn't just a color, it's an endless energy, a powerful force, always present to protect and nurture your soul. In this light-filled space, you feel a complete sense of security, as if all pressure and worry from the outside world can no longer touch you. Keep breathing, and with each breath, imagine you're absorbing more of this light into your body. Let it seep into every cell, from head to toe, filling each tiny corner of your body with relaxation and ease. As you exhale, envision all fatigue, anxiety, and pressure flowing out, leaving you in a state of purity and lightness. Each breath is an exchange with the universe. You welcome fresh energy and release anything unnecessary. Gradually, you feel a deep connection with this infinite energy source. It's a bond with an immense, eternal power in the universe, always ready to support you and bring peace from within. Now picture a serene river in front of you. It's clear water, flowing gently without disturbance. This is no ordinary river. It is a river of peace, of tranquility, capable of washing away all the stress and anxiety you've accumulated. Let this river slowly flow through your body, starting from your feet, carrying away all weariness and tension. Every drop of cool water seeps into your skin, gently removing layers of exhaustion and weight. As the water rises to your upper body and shoulders, you feel all pressure dissolving, leaving only comfort and deep relaxation. When the water reaches your head, all worrisome thoughts gradually disappear, leaving a space that is empty, peaceful, and clear. Now mentally repeat the affirmation. With each exhale, I release all tension. I am in a complete state of peace. Each time you repeat this, you feel peace and calm permeate every corner of your soul, removing any lingering stress. Let the river continue to flow, guiding you into a gentle and quiet state. With each breath, you feel more clearly the absolute peace, helping your mind reach the tranquility you completely deserve. Now gently turn your mind to the things that make you feel grateful. It could be the people you love, the positive experiences you've had, or simply the moments of calm you've enjoyed. Allow gratitude to fill your heart, feeling each beat of happiness, each surge of warm emotion. Each time you think of these things, a deep sense of contentment, satisfaction, and appreciation grows, radiating through your body and soul. Imagine these blessings and fortunes as small, glowing lights surrounding you. Each light is a source of positive energy, bringing peace and joy, encircling you in a halo of serenity and happiness. Let them swirl around you, illuminating and strengthening your spirit, creating a space full of energy and hope. Listen to the story of Lucio, who once felt something missing despite having everything he needed. One day, while walking along the river, Lucio met an elder and learned the power of gratitude. From that day on, Lucio began each morning with a moment of thanks for the simple things in life. With this gratitude, Lucio's life slowly transformed. He found joy in small things, felt lighter, and blessings began to flow his way. Gratitude created a positive energy around him, attracting good things and changing his life. As you return to the present, remember that gratitude not only soothes the soul, but also creates space for new blessings to come. Keep this feeling of gratitude in your heart each day, allowing it to lead you toward a life filled with peace and happiness.